Alright, what's up guys? Justin here. I just finished wiring up the outdoor unit of our LG HVAC system. So since we got the hood open, I thought I'd show you what goes on inside this part, and then we'll go inside and take a look at the indoor unit wiring. So you can see in this terminal block, you've got basically it's hard to see, there's A, B, C, D. They're all labeled in terms of which indoor cassette unit you're wiring to, so make sure to label your wires. Otherwise it's pretty straightforward. There's the two red and black wires carry power to the indoor unit. The white one is a signal, and then there's a ground that you have to add your own ground clip to for some reason. So all these are wired up out here. As far as the line sets go, that was done by a local HVAC technician. He came out, and there's a few things that are hard to do on your own. One is that to get the right length here, you have to put a new flare on the end. So he did that for us. Right now it's pressurized with nitrogen, so when he comes back, he's going to make sure it's still holding pressure, and if so, put a vacuum on it, and then it'll be filled with refrigerant via these two valves here. So can't DIY everything on these. You really do kind of need an HVAC guy to kind of help you with the line sets. That's outside. We got these white boxes here to kind of make a clean install through the wall. So this one's on top. This one's the same box, just reversed, and kind of pokes through the inside, so that we can have basically the A and B sets come through here, the C and D sets come through here, and then you can see there's this outdoor disconnect. That's the main power. So the main power comes into the unit over here, and it feeds power to the indoor units from this outdoor one. Okay, let's go inside. Okay, so now we're inside. You can see where those line sets are coming through the white boxes I just talked about. Obviously those have to be sealed up, and we'll insulate this cavity. That is the main wire that goes to that disconnect. So all four line sets go up and over and branch out to various ceiling cassettes. You can see the first one, or one of them's over here, but we'll go down here and take a look at this one since I left the cover off. So in this one is the one we showed you in the part 1 video about how it got mounted to the ceiling. Now we're in part 2. So the wire comes through around to this side, goes through that little strain relief, comes through here, and it's basically labeled the same. So you got line 1, 2, signal, and the ground. Around this side is where the line set comes in. So you can see those nuts, they're meant to be torqued to a specific setting. Most people's torque wrench has, it takes a socket. There's a special type that has an open end, so you can get those torqued to the right values, since these lines do carry quite a bit of pressure. And then there's the drain line. I don't think we showed you that last time, but basically these particular indoor cassettes, the manual says they have a pump, so it will pump the condensate up a certain amount, but we were able to gravity drain all of it over to the mechanical room, where it's going to drain out that way. So that's about it. Everything's connected. The HVAC guy comes back maybe in a couple days to install a refrigerant, and then we can turn these on and see them work. Okay, that's it. Maybe there'll be a part 3 when it's all working.